even a question. After this summer, man, how's that even a... I've had real Philly niggas try to write my ending, taking shots with the gold and talking about shots that we sending. I've had scuffles with bad boys that wasn't pretending. I've had...
You know, most people, they don't come...
Keep it straight.
Most people, they don't come back to where they made it. Like, I come to Philly every time. Like, I'm not, just because I'm not getting money doesn't mean I'm not gonna come back to my hood.
Well, shit.
Like, right here, this Lycombe, man. I walked to that, right there, I walked there before. I got a piece roll, they good. You should get some sometimes. They piece rolls is good, I don't know how to say it.
Well, shit.
Lou, you passed the corner store.
We passed 5 corner stores, this nigga asked. This nigga been asked for a corner store, we walked past.
Bro, I'm looking for where the good cheesesteaks at, though. That's what I'm asking, bro.
Nigga, we drove past 5 corner stores, you talking about something. You're not gonna know which one got the best cheesesteaks until you go in there.
I'll tell you this, I'm not even gonna look. That's an Audi right there. Check for me.
But right here?
Right there, that's an Audi. I'm not even gonna look.
But alright, it's close enough.
No. The supermarket. Audi. Not the car. I'm fucking dead.
Oh!
We about to hit a bump.
My neck. Oh, I need 150.
Bro, basically when I get my whip, this is how I'm gonna sit. So when like, if I, look, they be right here. I'm at, like, if I'm getting at bitches in my car, this shit, I'm like, yo girl! Cause girls like tall niggas.
Right.
They like tall niggas.
Right. So you might even sit on your couch cushions.
She gonna be like, come out. That shit gonna be like, alright girls. See a world champion. He got a barbershop, he got a car wash, he got a boxing gym, he taking kids off the street. His barbershop? I ain't never go there. But I heard they good. But I ain't never go to them.
No.
Danny!
Not gonna switch on your road dog. Oh yeah, we seen him. We seen him.
I seen him before. I said hi, he ain't seen me, he said hi back. He ain't say it back. But like I said it, that's what counts. Like it don't matter if he ain't had to say it back, he a busy man.
It's the effort that counts. Oh, Rick!
Yeah, cool with that.
Did you say that?
Right here.
What's that?
Niggas would die for this. It's for $1.
Right.
Hey, gotta get in it.
You getting it, bro? Go
Hey,
ahead.
what's up? Follow me on Instagram.
You know what I mean?
215.skinnyme.
Oh, alright.
You know what I mean? Follow me on Instagram. Then let me know about Instagram.
What?
Oh, alright. You got one in your board or no, you chilling?
Follow me on Instagram. Never leave my brother _Quan.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Never leave my brother _Quan.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Alright, homeboy, y'all be safe.
What's up?
Tuck it all the way in. Make sure you get all edges. Then you button it up. Shake off my balls a little.
Alright.
Hot outside. And like 6'9" once said, let your nuts drag.
Okay.
Get some good fucking boxers. See you guys.
Hold on, guys.
We're going. Come on with something like
You good on this one? Oh, y'all goes! Hey!
They all start walking over. Damn! This shit crank harder than pizza.
We took that.
Sister Black Boy, Sister Black Boy. Sister Black Boy, Sister Black Boy. Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on the side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dog.
You know what I'm saying? We at Little Caesars. Our bitch ass about to treat. Right, bro? Oh, alright. Where Albert?
They ain't got that.
Well,
Where the fuck that niggas at? Trayway.
We on O Block, nigga. Where the fuck y'all niggas at?
That's 10 o'clock. You call that
10
shit no
o'clock.
block.
Fuck y'all niggas at? Look. Look. It's 8:41. But it's 2 hours before I be changing the time on my phone because I don't want to be late to nothing. And we on O Block, nigga. Pull the fuck up.
What he say, bro? He was like,
Treyway! This fuck.